Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my 2007 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight. See this headlight right here, this one right here. It's not broken yet, both of them, but I had it on for about almost 3 years now. It's getting not very bright at nighttime. So I'm gonna show you how to change that. This is the one right here. Let me turn it on and turn on the headlight. See, this is the one I'm talking about right here. The one in the middle right here. Yeah, it's getting not very bright at all at nighttime, and it's not broken yet, but I'm gonna show you how to change it. See that? So this is the one I'm going to be using here to replace that my old one called Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra. They have 4 different kinds right here. The basic one is basically not very bright at all, and then they have the Extra Vision. Extra Vision is brighter down road and more, and then they have the Silver Star. Brighter, there right here, the Silver Star, brighter down road plus white light and more. And then I'm using the Silver Star Ultra. It's more expensive. I got this online for about $38 for a pair of 2. So about $38 for a pair of 2. If you go to Walmart or to one of those auto place, they're asking for about $54 to $60 per pair of them. And one thing too, when you replace, don't just replace one, replace both of them at the same time, because both of them have the same rating hours. And for this one right here, the rating hours about, right here you can see it, 200 hours. So it lasts about 200 hours. So they say an average person will be driving at night about 100 hours a year. So it should last you about 2 years right here. This is, see the difference right here, you got that blue, you see the blue. So this is supposed to be the most expensive one, the Silver Star Ultra. So let me show you how to do it. This is the one I want right here. If you look at the bag right here, it's easy to access right there. Need a flathead screwdriver, and then just push right here, pop the clip, and then push it down. All right, now you disconnect it. Here the bulb right there, just twist it to the right. I twist it and take it out. See that? All right, let's take out the new one. And all right, when you take it out, make sure that don't touch the bulb. It's right here. This is really important. Don't touch this. Don't use your finger to touch the bulb, because your fingers are very greasy. It's a burn out the bulb faster. Don't touch it. So that's a really important part. Right there. Don't touch the bulb at all. Don't touch it. Just touch the end right here, and then just put it in and twist it. Line it up and then twist it to the right. Okay, you in. Now put in, connect this part right here. So that part you just push it in, basically. It's easy. Okay, that's it. Let's do the other side. It's the same thing right here. Use a flathead screwdriver. Take that out. And then just this one, twist it to the left. And take out the bolt. I put the new one in. Alright, that's it. And then push it up. That's it. Let's see. Yeah, it's easy to do. And let's turn on the headlight. Is it working or not? Yep, it's working. It's working. It's so easy to do. You can do it yourself. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.